Hey guys, today we're going to be working on this 2019 Ford Fiesta. We're going to be doing a little scheduled maintenance. We're going to be replacing the engine air filter and the cabin air filter. So stick around and I'll show you how. Pull the release lever in the driver's compartment. Pop your hood. Activate the release lever for the hood. Set your stand. That gives us access to our air box. This vehicle is equipped with a remote starter. That's why the sticker's on there. Yours won't look like this. You'll need a T20 Torx bit. Lift the box. Remove your filter. If it looks this bad, get rid of it. Get our new air filter out. I picked my filters up. They're from A Premium. I got a link down in the description below if you need to get some. We're done under the hood. Next, we're going to replace the cabin air filter. You're going to need to access the passenger side of the vehicle. We're going to remove the lower portion of the center console. Take a Phillips screw, unscrew this. Just pull that out the way. And what holds that in are these little tabs. You'll feel scared to pull on it, but that's the only way to get those out. Next thing we're going to want to do is disconnect that electrical connector. Looks like you need to push in on that and pull. It's going to move these wires out of the way. This is what we're after. Back to our T20. Go ahead and remove these screws. Now I've got the two lower screws removed. Next thing I'm going to do is remove this glove box. Just pull down, push these two tabs in. I'll release these little nubs on either side and then pull real good. This is where our two lower bolts were. And then up in here, there's one there. And two over here. Now if we look up under here, we can see the two nuts that we need to get to. Right here and here. This thing's in our way. And if you're gentle about it, you can remove this. So, like I said, just pull forward. That's going to open up a whole lot more room for you. Now you can get right up in here, get right to your bolts. And now we're left with this one way up in here, which I guess I can get to pretty good now with that piece out of the way. Might not have had to take the glove box apart. I can get a hold of this. Man, it's pretty filthy looking. Ugh, nasty, nasty. I'm so glad I wasn't breathing that, right? Ugh. Let's get this thing out of here. So we see how nasty this old one was. It was time. This new one looks might be in better shape, I think. Look to be about the right size. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this installed. Kind of a tight squeeze, but it does go. And get this back in. And I guess all's left, put our screws in. Remember, these things are plastic. You don't have to over tighten them. Plug your wire back in while we're here. Reconnect your vent pipe. So in order to get our vent tube in there, what I had to do is find this rubber hose and disconnect it and just pull it down out of the way. And that allowed plenty of room to get this back up in there the way it's supposed to. We'll get it hooked and then just reconnect the rubber tube. If you had removed your glove box, now it's time to put it back in. These little connectors go right on there. And we're left with installing our panel back. And make sure that your tabs line back up. Now we got our filters installed. Everybody's going to breathe easier, even the engine. Thanks for watching.